Hey guys, Leslie here. We're gonna come down to our mat for a 5-minute plank challenge. Make your way down when you're ready. We're gonna start on all fours. I want you to make sure that your wrists or your forearms line up with your shoulders. You're gonna lift in through your belly, so find that strong core connection. We step back 1 foot, 1 knee at a time. We're gonna lift the right leg. We lift, we tap. So right off the top, extending long through the toe, finding that squeeze in the glute for 4 more. Good, 3, 2, find the top and pulse. Already feeling that core burn, that core fire. Keep lifted through the belly, nice long through the neck. Good, you have 8 counts here. Let's go 8, 6, good, 4, 3, let's take it to a curl. Heel to bum, we curl, we lengthen. Woo, there it is. Curl it in, lengthen out. Let's go 4 more, then we pulse. 4, 3, 2, hold the heel in, press up to the sky. Tiny little press, feel that glute. Good. Stay connected to the core. Let's go for 8, 6, 4, 3. We're gonna bring that knee to chest. Bring it in, reach up, in, press. Woo, are you feeling this? I am. Stay strong. 4, 3, 2. Good, at the top, point the toe. Let's pulse. Good, keep lengthening out through that leg. Lift. You got it, 8 counts here. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold here, extend that leg long. Come down to the forearm. Good, lift the opposite arm to the sky. Simply hold in your high plank and breathe. Hold for 4, for 3, last 2. Good, and release all the way down. Awesome job, big deep breath, inhale. Woo, take it over to the other side. Let's switch it out. We're coming down to the forearms, up to the hands. Good, let's lift in through that belly. Let's line up our wrists with our shoulders. Step back, let's do this. We lift, we tap. Good, so again, extended long through that leg, feeling the energy from crown of the head all the way down towards that toe for 4, 3, 2, hold nice and high, find a little pulse, good. So it's so small, it's all from the glute. Lift and squeeze. 8 counts for 8, 6, 4, 3. Let's curl that heel in. We curl, we lengthen. Good, stay connected to the core. Keep lifting belly to spine for 4, 3, 2. Hold high, pulse it up. Right here, little tiny pulse through that glute. Good for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, drop that knee 1 count. Lower, exhale, lift. Good. Nice, almost there. 4 more, 4, 3, last 2. Good, hold nice and high, point that toe, little press, little tiny lift up and up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release the toe down. Let's come down to the forearms, good. Lifting opposite arm to the sky, hold those hips nice and high, keep breathing for 4, good, 3, last 2, last 1, and release back through center. Whew. Take a big deep breath. I hope you're feeling that head to toe. Awesome job.
Hey Barre babes, it's Ella here. I hope that you enjoyed that workout. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications on our next barre workout. See you soon.